Hi Drastic Cuties, today we're going to draw a cheerleader from LOL Dolls. So let's get started. To draw this cute cheerleader, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to start right here and basically draw a very wide bottom of a U. So just start there and just curve it all the way around. Nice and wide. And I'm going to come back up to where I started, so about right here on the same level. So it's nice and even. So now that I have this curve in for her face, I'm going to come back here where I started and draw a circle right next to the edge. Nice big circle for her eyes. So same thing on this side, right there towards the edge. There, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. If you love LOL dolls, please make sure to check out my LOL doll playlist and the lines at the bottom. And let me know in the comments below which LOL doll you want me to draw next. So we're going to do the same thing over here. Okay, so now we have her eyes in. Let's come up right here. We're going to draw her lashes. So I'm going to flick a curve up. So the first one's going to be the thickest and bring it back in and shade it in. And then we can draw maybe, let's see here, 3 smaller ones on the side. So same thing over here. So a longer one that's nice and thick, just like the LOL doll. And just 3 smaller ones right there. And then from there, let's give her a sweet smile right in the center, so about right here, and cap it off. Okay, so then now let's see here, let's bring this up a little bit more. So we have her bangs that we need to draw, and let's come above the eye, just give it a little space, and we're going to come about right here in this area. And we're just going to draw a curve right above her eye. So we head over to the other side. And before I finish off this curve, I'm going to come about right here and zigzag up to break it up and continue my curve all the way back. And so then let's come over here. Let's bring it in a little bit more. So notice I didn't go past this curve. It's still within this curve right here. So from there, I'm just going to go up on both sides and build up the bangs. So let's find my center just so it's a little bit easier, so I know where my highest point is. So about right, let's say about right here. And I'm just going to bring my curve up. Makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going because I'm drawing pretty big, and start to bring it down. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come back right here. We're going to add a curve just to finish it off her face. So same thing over here. Let's add a curve. And right above her eye, right below this curve right here, we're just going to draw an indication of her brow. So just a soft curve, whoops. And same thing over here. There. And then let's continue this right here. So we're basically bringing this up And it's going to be very close to this curve right here. So we're going to bring this all the way up. And once again, let's find my center. So about right here, give myself a point. I'm just going to go straight down with a line and come up a little bit. So I give a little bit dip for the center and go ahead and just connect it. There, so same thing on this side. Okay, so then from there, let's come in here and we're going to draw some curves for the details for the bangs. So I'm just going to come in here. So this is going to be one curve, and now it's going to start to go the other way right here. That way it doesn't look like just one big block. So come in here, just draw some curves, and also gives our bangs some dimension. Here, some of them can be closer. There. Okay, so that looks a little bit better now that we have those lines in. Now let's come over to the side. We're going to draw her ear. Right here where we started this curve. Come out here and pop out a curve for her ear. And a little detail is a curve and another curve. So same thing right here. So we're just going to find bottom of my ear, about right there. Curve. And so another detail inside. And then from there we can come to the side. Let's give ourselves some room for the bow. So say about right here, I'm just going to add a little loop and my bow. So 2, top and bottom. Come in here with a little line for the details. And let's pop out that cute little pigtail that comes out. So about right here. Down and curve up. And just bring it all the way back in. So cute, right? And add 2 little curves in here for some detail. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. So our loop's about right here. And once again, we're going to draw our bow. So about right there. And right above the ear. And once again, our pigtail. So about right here. Curve it out. Bring it in. And if you want, you can add a little flare right here if you want. And bring it back in. Just to change it up a little bit on both sides. Okay, so we have her pigtails in. Now let's draw her body. Come to the center and just draw a curve for her neck, collar area. And right here, I'm going to start to draw a curve down for her shoulder. And before I do that, let's come in here and draw her collar. So right in the center, just draw 2 angle lines. And I'm going to bring this one up and up. Now let's imagine her shoulders are right here. So about right here, I'm just going to give myself 2 points for where her armpits would be. So I'm going to draw 2 angle lines. And then from there, I'm going to come over here and finish off this sleeve. About right there and connect it. Okay, so then from there on this side, her sleeve is going to be right here connected because this arm is up. So about right here. I'm just going to go up right here and connect a curve. And then from there, let's go ahead and connect this. So now that we have her blouse in, let's come right here and just draw a curve right here just to give her a little band right above. And let's start to draw her skirt. So I'm just going to flare this out. Bring it a little bit more. From there, I'm just going to come in with a slight curve, and I'm going to stop. Same thing on this side. Okay, so then come back up here and we're going to draw a longer line. So we're just going to angle this down past that so that we just give our skirt here some levels, because there are pleats, so that way it just kind of looks a little bit more like pleats. And then come in here and connect it just to make it simpler. We're just going to connect this center panel, and then let's come in here. We're going to draw the stripes. So I'm going to start with the center one just to make it easier, right in the center. And then let's see here, there's one over here and another one here. So if you want, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and make these longer and pop it out, so that way it looks like pleats. There. Okay, and so now let's come back up and draw her arms. So the first one, I'm just going to make it really simple, right down to her side. So her arms are going to come down to about right here, curve it out, and arms about right here. So the nice thing about this drawing is I'm giving them pom-poms, so we don't have to draw hands. So I'm going to come about right here and just going to start to zigzag this round pom-pom. So it's just a bunch of zigzags and into a roundish shape right here. So come down, round, bring it to the center, and then you can come in here with some more zigzags for our pom-pom. So the same thing on this. So we're going to draw another pom-pom. So this hand is going to go up. So about right here, just give it a little curve up and follow about that long. And then once again in this area, we're going to start to draw our pom-pom. So I'm going to start about right here. So here, and then you can break it so it doesn't look too hard. And once again, come in here. There, got two pom-poms in, so cute, right? And then now to draw the legs. So I'm going to have one that's straighter and one that's coming out. So for this one, just make sure this leg is continuing your thighs about right here in the center. So we're going to draw this one first, because this one's straightforward. Bring it down. And I'll stop about right there. So now let's work on this one. Her leg is facing out this way, so we're going to bring it out a little bit more. So not too close, come out a little bit more, about right here. And about right here, same width. There. So notice it's about right. And in this area right here, I'm just going to draw this one first, connect it with a pair of socks, come down, and we're going to flare it out for her tennis shoes. And connect. So come in here with some details, a little bow, a loop, 2 strings, bottom of her tennis shoe, and there's a red stripe right here if you want to add some color to her shoes. Okay, so now this side. So we're going to about the same area right here. I'm going to angle a line. Now this is going to be her sock. Same thing. Let's connect it. So we're going to aim to end at the same level and come out for her shoe and just go ahead and connect it. And so some details right here, 2 little loops for indication of the laces and a stripe right here. So you can give your shoe some color. And of course, let's add the heart right here my Draw So Cute Cheerleader from LOL Dolls. There, I think I have everything in, and that is pretty much it. Hope I made this drawing easy for you to follow along and you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.